Good morning. It is August 1st and it's 8:30 in the morning, and I am aboard the Cape May-Lewes Ferry, taking a ride across the bay this morning with my daughter, son-in-law, and grandkids, and we're just ready to depart, and I thought I would take advantage of this crossing to record a video showing sorry about that, showing the view of the second deck of the ferry. As you can see, we just pulled away. I'll record a video outside until we get beyond Douglas Park, and then I will make another video showing the inside of the ferry, just for people that might be interested. As an FYI, the reason that I haven't been posting any videos is I haven't been on the bike in the last 3 or 4 weeks. Actually, the last video that I made, that I recorded and posted, the ride from Sunset Lake Park in Wildwood Crest back over to Cape May, I actually had an injury to my right knee at the start of that video, and I ended up spending 5 hours in the ER at Cape Regional Hospital that Sunday night, and I ended up having to go to Rothman when I got back to my home in Pennsylvania for MRIs, and I ended up with what was first thought to be a full tear of the meniscus in my right knee. Turns out it was a partial tear, but a pretty significant tear. So I've been on crutches for the past 3.5 weeks. I'm now not on crutches, but I'm still walking with a brace on my right knee. So needless to say, I cannot get out on the motorcycle. This is the ferry terminal. That's the Delaware Bay. And this is Douglas Park that I'm looking at now. And that's the canal. Hey Brooks, want to see something cool? Can you look out? See where the rocks go all the way out? See to the right of it? I'm not sure when I'll be back on the bike. If my wife prevails, I will never be on the bike again, but I'm not giving that up. I had one surgery in my life, and it was on a torn tendon in my left arm, and that was tied to a motorcycle as well. My Harley was tipping over, and I tried to, and did manage to keep it from laying down, but it just broke the tendon in my left elbow, and had to have surgery for that. So this is the second injury, and fortunately the orthopedic surgeon said that it's not necessary at this point to have surgery. So this is Douglas Park. I've ridden down there many times on many videos, and recorded the ferry. Departing and arriving from Douglas Park. This is just another perspective on it. day today, and that's why we're making this trip today, because it's clearly not a beach day. So the kids always get a kick out of riding the ferry across the bay. And what we do is we make a day of it. We go down to the outlets down in Rehoboth, and get the kids some outfits and stuff, and they get a kick out of it. So I'm not sure how well this is coming through my voice, I mean, with the wind up here. So I'm going to conclude this right now. That's the Atlantic Ocean out in that direction. Heading over to Delaware. And that's the Delaware Bay. So I'll make another video walking through the interior of the ferry just to show that. So anyway, thanks for watching. And if I happen to see any dolphins or anything, or a whale as we cross the bay, I'll try to capture that as well. Take care and thanks for watching.